Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. Guys, this car is a baby doll. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. I actually sold this car a few years ago to a good friend of mine. Matter of fact, I bought 3 cars from him here yesterday. Unfortunately, he lost his storage spot. He did not want to sell these cars, but just didn't have a place to put them, so he had to sell them. But killer car. I think this is a 4-owner car. 54,000 original miles on it, and it is an absolute sweetheart. Car runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight body. This is a factory color combination. It has had 1 repaint. I can't remember how long ago that it was done, but it looks beautiful. But it was stripped down to the bare metal. This is Provincial white, I think is what it's called. And then it's got the factory Aqua interior. Original 394 V8, automatic trans. And man, get in it, turn the key, and go. It runs and drives excellent. Chrome and stainless on the car is beautiful. Chip there, but there is not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this car. This car is slick, guys. Again, gorgeous paint. These guys must have had the antenna off. Factory mirrors, dual mirrors. All your little event windows work, but it is just a sweetheart. Love the color combination. Look how nice that interior is. Look how nice that trim is. All this stuff is beautiful. This car is a works of art, man. I love the quarters on these cars. I think they're so cool. Very unique look. Again, this stuff's all original, so you can nitpick it. There's a couple little dimples in it as you walk around it, but it is very nice, especially for original. Look how straight that car sits. Look at the trim. Look how nice that trim is. Cragar S wheels. This does come with the factory hubcaps. And steel wheels. Great car. If you're gonna nitpick, looks like there's a little ding right there, but in that trim, but great car. Again, original 394 V8 engine. It's got a newer Edelbrock 650 carb. Factory intake and exhaust manifolds. They did put a new aluminum radiator in it. Power steering, power brakes. Again, it's got the factory automatic transmission in it. And like I say, just a little baby doll. It hits the road so sweet. Glass is nice. I mean, somebody's just going to get a great car. Like I say, he just did not want to sell these cars. He just unfortunately lost his storage spot. So look how nice the A-pillar chrome is. Those are nice, and this car is great. Original armrest. So you pick that. Those door panels are original. He said the seats are original, so they put new carpet in it, but the rest of the seats, he said, are original, and they're beautiful. Headliner looks great. Factory steering wheel, look how nice that is. It's not all cracked up or broken up. Look how nice that dash is. 54,154 miles. Even the cold light works. Functional AM radio with an FM converter. Look how nice the dash is. These are works of art, man. They're beautiful. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust, factory rear axle, no big gear or anything like that. Just definitely a cruiser. Jacks in here. It's got the old bias ply, white wall spare. Just a little dust, guys. But man, just a little sweetheart. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. I think it's got all the original panels. I don't think they've ever changed anything like that on the car. Floors are original. Great, great car. This is one of those cars that you can jump in, cruise, and not break the bank on, and just have a blast. Those look like the original sill plates. Love this interior. Look how cool the pattern is in there. Well, you really can say they just don't make them like they used to. I mean, what a cool car. Again, that A-pillar color is gorgeous. Turn the key, fires right up, just runs as sweet as can be. Yeah, little cold light still on in the dash. Fuel gauge works. You can hear that radio in there working. Blower motor works. Love those taillights. Backup lights work. Yeah, someone's gonna have a blast with this thing. Yep, it all works. Yeah, blower motor works. Everything opens and closes nice. Fit and finish is great. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Holy mackerel, this is a long light. we're going to get tied up again.